Welcome to my YouTube channel Auto Pulse Future. As the double doors of the GMC SUV limousine swing open, a soft cascade of ambient lighting spills out onto the pavement, beckoning guests into a sanctuary of modern opulence. The limousine stretches with graceful assertiveness, an embodiment of power and luxury woven into every inch of its meticulously crafted interior. As one steps inside, the world outside seems to blur, replaced by a haven that merges innovation with extravagance. The interior is enveloped in a rich, midnight black leather that covers every seat, contour, and panel. Diamond quilted stitching in contrasting platinum threads traces elegant patterns across the upholstery, a testament to handcrafted precision. As your eyes adjust to the subdued, multi-hued LED lighting that bathes the ceiling and side panels, you notice that it changes color gently, transitioning through soft tones of sapphire blue, royal purple, and gentle amber. Each light responds to ambient sound, shifting rhythmically with the soft pulse of music that wafts from the state-of-the-art surround sound system. The floor is layered with plush, deep pile carpeting that gives way under your feet like a memory foam mattress, blending luxury with comfort in every step. Inlaid beneath the carpeting are thin, carbon fiber heating elements, ensuring the cabin stays warm and inviting no matter the season. Subtle footwell lights illuminate the path from door to seat, guiding each step like runway lights in a first-class cabin. To the left and right, ergonomically contoured seating wraps around the cabin in a U shape. Each seat is more than just a place to rest, it is a throne. Individually climate-controlled, with massage functions and reclining options that turn them into fully lungable pods, these seats are upholstered with memory foam inserts that conform perfectly to the body. They're separated by adjustable armrests embedded with wireless charging pads and touchscreen controls that allow each passenger to adjust lighting, temperature, music, and privacy glass. Between the seating areas lies a luminous bar station, crafted from crystal clear acrylic and brushed aluminum. Its shelves are embedded with fiber optic lighting that sparkles like diamonds under the dimmed cabin lights. Behind the transparent panels, a selection of premium beverages gleams invitingly. Top-shelf whiskey, vintage champagne, and handcrafted cocktails stored in climate-controlled compartments. A built-in humidor holds an exclusive selection of cigars, each carefully temperature and humidity controlled. Crystal tumblers, flutes, and custom-engraved decanters rest in softly padded holders, ensuring silence and safety no matter how bumpy the ride. A fully integrated 4K entertainment center dominates the front partition wall. A widescreen smart display folds seamlessly from a leather-paneled console, offering streaming access to movies, live television, or even a live feed from external panoramic cameras placed strategically around the vehicle. Surrounding this center are discrete speakers that emit crystal clear sound, customized to each passenger's seating location for a private audio experience. Noise-canceling technology ensures that the rumble of the road never intrudes on the serenity within. Above, the ceiling is a marvel of futuristic design. A fiber-optic starfield mimics the constellations of the night sky, customizable via touchpad. Whether it's a starlit night in the Sahara or a dramatic aurora borealis simulation, the scene overhead adds a touch of magic to every journey. Alongside this celestial display are retractable sunroofs made of electrochromic glass, which can be adjusted from transparent to opaque with a swipe, offering privacy or open sky as desired. Touchscreen panels are embedded throughout the cabin, seamlessly integrated into the walls and seat armrests. These interfaces allow passengers to control everything from the color of ambient lighting to the configuration of the seating layout. With a few taps, the rear seating area can transform from a casual lounge to a business meeting zone or even a romantic dinner setup, complete with a motorized dining table that rises from the floor and swiveling seats that pivot to face each other. The air inside the cabin is always fresh and invigorating, thanks to a custom-built air purification system that utilizes HEPA filtration, ionization, and essential oil diffusion. With scent options like sandalwood, lavender, or a crisp ocean breeze, each ride can be a sensory escape. Ultra-quiet climate control units adjust temperature and humidity with micro-precision, ensuring perfect comfort regardless of external conditions. On one side of the vehicle, A refrigerated compartment stores gourmet snacks and refreshments, from truffle popcorn to chocolate-dipped strawberries. Adjacent to this is a retractable espresso station that brews barista-quality coffee at the touch of a button, complete with a grinder, milk frother, and customizable settings for strength, temperature, and blend. Every technological element is seamlessly hidden when not in use, preserving the clean aesthetic. Monitors, speakers, control panels, even cup holders are flush with their surroundings, appearing only when summoned by voice or touch. This creates an atmosphere of effortlessness and calm, where every luxury is just a whisper away. Privacy is paramount, and the tinted panoramic windows are coated with electrochromic layers that shift instantly from clear to opaque. With a voice command or app-based control, passengers can cloak themselves in complete discretion. Soundproof partitions separate the cabin from the driver's compartment, and a custom intercom system allows for selective communication, preserving the sense of an uninterrupted retreat. As the limousine glides forward, the suspension system neutralizes every bump and imperfection in the road. It feels more like sailing than driving. The wheels are wrapped in noise-reducing tires that absorb road sound, while the chassis is reinforced with sound-dampening materials. Combined, these features cocoon passengers in tranquility, regardless of the environment outside. Color-matched climate zones offer guests the ability to tailor their individual microclimates. One passenger may enjoy cool mountain fresh air, while another basks in tropical warmth. Hidden biometric sensors embedded in the seats monitor body temperature and posture, making automatic adjustments to ensure optimal comfort throughout the journey. Storage compartments are as elegant as they are practical. Hidden beneath the seats, soft close drawers slide out to reveal storage for handbags, laptops, or shoes. A full-length wardrobe compartment allows for the hanging of coats or evening attire, complete with cedar lining and a backlit mirror for last-minute touch-ups. A discreet vanity unit unfolds from the side panel, offering a lit mirror, touch-up kit, and even a compact hair dryer. For those seeking productivity on the move, the limousine transforms into a mobile office. A motorized desktop extends from the sidewall, paired with a built-in tablet and keyboard. High-speed satellite internet ensures a stable connection even on remote highways. Noise-canceling headphones and a virtual assistant offer help with calls, meetings, and calendar management. It is an executive suite on wheels. For nightlife and celebration, the limousine transforms again. Strobe lights, a dance mode with pulsating floors, and a sound-reactive ceiling engage with music, creating a party vibe that rivals any elite lounge. DJ controls pop out from a side drawer, allowing guests to queue up tracks, mix sounds, and create the perfect ambience. A karaoke system with dual microphones and lyrics displayed on screen adds another layer of entertainment. Safety is engineered with subtlety. Hidden cameras scan both the interior and exterior, monitored by an onboard AI system that alerts occupants to potential threats. Emergency protocols, including GPS tracking, direct communication with emergency services, and biometric access control, ensure the security of every ride. In the event of an emergency, a hidden compartment contains a first aid kit, oxygen masks, and basic survival supplies. The entire experience is customized via a proprietary app that remembers user preferences. From lighting to music playlists, temperature settings to seat position, the limousine adjusts itself automatically when a passenger enters, offering an effortlessly personalized environment. Even the scent of the leather, rich and faintly smoky, evokes a sense of timeless luxury. Every material is chosen not only for appearance but also for how it feels to the touch, soft, cool, or warm, depending on the experience it aims to deliver. The GMC SUV limousine isn't just a vehicle. It is an experience sculpted for those who demand more than transportation. It's a moving sanctuary, a boardroom, a party space, and a private suite. Every surface, sound, scent, and sensation is curated to elevate the ordinary into the extraordinary. With every mile traveled, it redefines what it means to ride in style.